guys do unboxing this and ASMR. I only took the wrapper off this one because I didn't have the mood of opening the wrapper with one hand. So let's open it up. Then take the stuff out. Wait a minute. Let's do some jig. We got the candy, which I think we're gonna try. And here's our dog. Looks like I don't know, like a beagle or something. A brown beagle. I don't know. And which one did we get exactly? Can you guys see it? Hell no, I can't even see anything. So let's try a candy. Let me open it real quick. Magic. Alright, we got it open. Now let's try one. Pretty good after all. Let's get to the ASMR video, which is going to be the next video which I'm going to post. So, bye guys!